guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn on the flashlight in your Motorola device. So, defaultly, the flashlight you should have in the top menu. So, slide to the down from the app to open it, and again, and look for the flashlight. How you can see, I have it in this place. But if you don't have the flashlight here, click on this little pen icon. And now look for the flashlight in the bottom section. So, if you have a flashlight here now, and you don't have it in the top menu, go to the pen icon, drag the flashlight to the app, choose the place for it, and just go back. Now, if you have a flashlight here, just tap on it, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.